Hello and welcome to another beautiful sunny day on our trip away. We've travelled down from Durham, where we were at Finkel Priory Touring Park, just outside Durham, about 4 miles out of Durham. We had a nice time there, so there will be videos from there. If you haven't seen them, please look back on the channel, you'll find them. We're now at Hillside Touring Park, which is close to Thirsk, which is Naton actually, close to Thirsk. And we're here for 3 nights. We have been, I think it's 4th time we've been here. If you remember, or if you haven't seen the video where my brakes failed on the Caravan and the service engineer rescued us kind of thing, he replaced all his brake shoes and everything. We've come back here for him to service the Caravan. So gives you an excuse to have a few days away again. We're also meeting up with some friends who've moved up here about a year ago, so we haven't seen them for ages. They live in Boroughbridge, so we're going to meet up with them and go and have a pub meal, I think. So that's why we're spending 3 nights here, and then we're back home after 3 nights. So it's nice to be back on this site. It's a lovely site, I must admit. It's a little bit out of the way. I think it's about just over a mile walk to the pub, which is in Naton itself. But it's a well kept site, I must admit. So we'll show you at pitch we're on, and we'll probably going out because he's servicing Caravan tomorrow. So we're either going to leave him to service Caravan and he'll drop keys back in reception, and we'll just go out for a day, or we may just hang about. And I'll give you an update on how the Caravan did. Whether it passed everything. Hopefully it does, fingers crossed. Right, I'm going to just show you his pitch and everything, and just a quick scan round because it's sort of school holiday time as well, so we've got a few children round as well. So try and be discreet with my filming. So we'll show you a pitch first, and then we'll attach what the service engineer found with the actual servicing or habitation of the Caravan tomorrow. Bye for now. I'll show you a pitch now. So here we are. We're on pitch 21 this time, right at top of the site. That's the play area over there. We're on fully serviced, nice level pitch, side to side anyway, front to back. Just got nice and level legs down without any wedges. We had to have wedges under at Finkel Abbey. So I've got my water bottle with my hose in and my float. We've got a bit of a drip on tap here, so I think we need to tighten it up a little bit. So you do have your grey waste. It's a 10 amp supply, and also you've got chemical waste on site as well. So that's looking down the site. And round to the children's play area. Busy playing cricket behind me. I've got a big area for kids to play ball games on, so that's a bonus. So we're going to clean roof fence because we've got a little bit of tree sap on the actual roof fence. I don't look a roof, it's a bit since we've done roof Caravan. The rest of Caravan's looking alright. Habitation service done. Everything's passed. Okay. Damp readings less than 15%. Ambient temperature when he took the actual readings was 22 degrees. I know people are going to say you're better off doing habitation service in winter time when it's cold, wet and damp, but unfortunately due to our warranty it's got to be done around this time of year anyway. And to me, if it's going to be damp, it's going to be damp anyway, so it's going to get some higher damp readings in places anyway. The only thing he has recommended is me friction pads on the Alco hitch, showing signs, so they want changing. He says you can do that yourself, which I know I can do anyway. And breakaway cable's a little bit damaged, so he's replaced that one anyway with a proper Alco breakaway cable. And what else was it? Oh, tyres. Me and Karen were talking about the tyres because a van is 5 year old. We thought the tyres would be 5 year old, but they're actually over 6 year old. So this year we're going to have to replace both tyres on Caravan. It's not because of wear, but he has shown me photos of the actual starting to crack, not on the side walls, but inside the actual treads. So he's recommended us to change them anyway. So we were thinking of doing that. So all in all, we've got another year of trouble-free caravanning. So we've got lots more adventures to go on yet. And it weren't too expensive neither. So that's a big bonus. And the thing is about he's a great bloke. He explains everything to you, and we were quite happy with the service he gave us when we had the trouble with the brakes. So we definitely thought we'd give him some custom. So we're also giving this site some custom because they allow him to come onto site to service your caravan. So it's even more of a bonus. So you can have a few days away up in North Yorkshire as well, near Thirsk. So it's a double whammy. So you can't beat it. So that's really update and the site we're on now. The next caravan trip we've got is down in Chester area. So that will be in August time, not July. We're in July now, aren't we? August. So that's it from Hillside Touring Park. Really, you've had a quick look at site. I think I've videoed this site twice anyway now, so it's not worth doing it all again. I've given you a brief look round, and it's school holidays, and it's a busy site. It's a full site, I must admit. Looking down from here, it's a full site. So I'll just show you through window, and we'll say goodbye for now, and we'll say look forward to giving you more caravan trips away when we're out and about. I'll show you down the caravan site now through window. There you are.